What's up guys, it's Cameron, and in this video I want to talk about why I'm stopping my sales on TikTok shops. A lot of you in the VIP group have been asking about well, what's your sales look like now? And I'm having to tell everybody, well, I've temporarily halted all of my sales due to this reason. Now, if you want to join the VIP group, link in the description. It's $10 a month, you can cancel anytime. I'll probably say it again later, but I'm not going to dive into any more details on that now. I've stopped selling on TikTok temporarily because Christmas is coming up, right? And I've already run into where people are buying things and the shipping is just right on the edge of Christmas on the 25th, or it's after and between the New Year's. And I'm having to message people more and be like, hey, just so you know, before I put this order through, I want you to know that my projected delivery, because I'll plug it into Amazon with their address and see what it looks like. Your projected delivery is the 27th, so it's going to be before Christmas. Do you still want me to put this order through? And so far, the few times it's happened, people have been like, yeah, as long as it's before New Year's, it's fine. And then by the time I've reacted to their message and then go actually try to order it again, for some reason, the shipping has been pushed up. So there's a relief in the shipping effort, and it actually ends up before Christmas. So now it'll be a nice little surprise for them, hopefully. But I'm running into that, so I've actually deactivated my top selling products. The products that I was making $1,000 a day on, I've just deactivated for the time being. One, for that reason, so I'm not selling things that got pushed out. Two, because when I was selling it, every day that I'd go hop on the computer to try to sell it again, the Amazon person that was selling it would bump the price up another $2. So it started at $8 for me to buy this product and eventually ended up at $13 for me to buy this product. So, I mean, it wasn't doubled in price, but I mean, it was starting to get up there, and I was still making profit, but I went from making $10 in profit per sale to $5, which is, again, we're making profit. It's fine. I would have totally been willing to just continue on with that, especially because it raised in the price where I could technically find a different listing and send them two of the same product and just hopefully get some cool reviews or something. So would have loved to do that, but the shipping is just too close for Christmas. Not going to do it. Not going to set myself up for returns and disappointment and all of that. And what my plan is, if you've made it this far, and again, this is stuff that I've been talking about with people in the VIP group. If you want to join that, I highly recommend it. I've got people joining it every single day now. $10 a month, cancel anytime. I know I've already said that, but that's where people can ask questions. I prioritize questions in there. I voice message one-on-one with you. If you message me and I know you're part of that group, I'll just send you voice messages through Messenger and be like, all right, here's how I sent one this morning. It was 4 minutes long. It's almost one of my YouTube video links of me just talking them through my thoughts on something and addressing them one-on-one, which I like a lot better than just commenting back on stuff. I just prefer to, if I'm on the go, I'm in my truck doing whatever, I can just talk to you, and it's a lot simpler for me. You can take your time responding and all of that. But anyway, my plan is that I'm going to resume sales. Hopefully, I mean, I gotta pray to the TikTok shop gods, but all the evidence I've seen from other people who have deactivated listings and then reactivated listings have been yo, yeah, once they pick up, it's basically business as usual. So I like that TikTok hasn't seemed to mess with the flow of things too much yet. Kind of similar to how Facebook used to be. And I really love that. But I'm going to start products again probably about 4 days before Christmas, which we're getting there. It's only in about a day or two that's going to happen. And my plan is that usually whenever I list something, it takes a couple days. This is what I've been telling people in the groups, that it takes a couple days for sales to kind of start happening and seeing if the product you listed actually sold. So I want to do 4 days before Christmas, because then people ordering it 2 days before Christmas or Christmas Eve, they're not going to expect it they're not going to expect that as a Christmas gift. They might expect it for my particular product, which is kind of a gag gift that took off. They might expect it for a New Year's Eve party, but I'll take that risk. And then if I need to deactivate it again, I will. But this is one of those things. And if you haven't heard already, I'm going to be creating a course, and it's not a TikTok shop course, because I'll basically go over everything. There's other courses for that. I'll go over, you know, how to fulfill orders, how to do all the stupid little things that are just technical things that anybody could learn. That'll be on my YouTube channel. I'll make a playlist. It'll be really easy. You basically got a free course there. I want to come up with a course. I say I want to. This stupid composite notebook is just already full of pages of me with the modules that I'm going to do for a product research course. Because my rationale on that is that if I can just teach you how to get a winning product, you could sell it on any platform. At that point, you're just learning the ins and outs of the platform-specific information. But the biggest thing, what do people ask every day in my comments, in the groups, everything? What products are you selling? What product should I start with? What categories are hot? Like, that's all we ever get. So if I can teach you that to where you can find those products yourself, and the secret isn't the best tool and all this, like tools can help you verify a product that you found. And you know, you might get lucky and find some cool tools. In the past, some tools would be good, but I mean, they're not the good thing. I mean, for the most part, a lot of the time is my winning products have always been from my personal inspiration and just ruminating on stuff and thinking about a product and being like, you know what, I think this version is this. Let me see what kind of versions exist, and then picking one. That every single one of my hot selling products has been something that I randomly thought of, not something that a tool told me was a hot seller. So I'm creating a course. I'm going to start filming videos on it today. Technically, I've already filmed 2 of them, but I'm going to get through a lot of the videos today, and I'm hoping to have this course out I would love to have it out by the end of December. So in the VIP group, those people in there get the course for half off. I plan on making it $300. They're going to get it for $150. I'm also going to give away 3 free versions of the same course. I'm going to give away 3 courses in the VIP group to random people for free. So, and then I haven't told anybody this yet either, but at random, every once in a while, like every month probably, I'll take like 1 or 2, and then I'll just refund them for their course that they purchased. So I'll do random refundings. So even if you bought the course in the beginning and it's March, you could still have your course that you bought right away refunded. It's not going to be like only people who bought it in March. It's just going to be random. So just something to think about, especially because there's only like 100 people in the VIP group. And there's going to be less here soon because there's some people from when the group was kind of in a lull that canceled, and I just never bothered to kick them out. They're going to get kicked out soon. So there's going to be even less, which means your percentage chance of getting free stuff is just going to be a lot higher. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment if you have any thoughts on canceling or stopping your TikTok Shops activity right now. And if you think that's a smart move. It's a complete guess to me, but it makes sense. So let me know your thoughts, because I might be totally wrong. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.